Optional chaining lets you safely access deep object properties without getting errors if something is undefined or null. For example, here is our object which is user, and inside that we have these properties: profile, name, and address with city. Now here I am accessing the proper way: user.profile.address.city, and we are getting the output New York. And what about if I miss the spelling in the object, if our data is incorrect? You can see in the address that I have just removed the s. So we have these incorrect data, and I'm accessing the correct data: user.profile.address with the proper address spelling dot city. And what will happen? Our code will break. We will get this error like type error cannot read properties of undefined. You probably have faced this issue in your coding practices as well. So what are the possible solutions? One solution is to handle it manually. How you can do this? You have to write this short circuiting method, which is the AND logical operator. And on the left you can see that we have this user profile. If this will be true, then it will move to the next one, user.profile.address, and here it will fail and it will return the undefined because it is undefined. So undefined will get printed and it will not move on the third condition. Okay, and then you can see that undefined is getting printed. And other best way is to use the optional chaining. So optional chaining syntax is very simple. You are just utilizing the question mark and dot. Here I have just put the address as a reference, that I just misspelled the address on the first point. But the major issue is that sometimes you get some API data which you need to map on your UIs, where you don't want to utilize the AND circuiting. So this is helpful there, because this will only return the undefined and it will not throw the proper error. I will recommend you don't overuse this feature, as it can sometimes hard to debug. So that is why I recommend you to use it only on few cases. And if you're using the TypeScript, so the TypeScript compiler will already give you that error before going forward. If you're curious which tool did I use to create this code animation, I use Snapify.